Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. BMW F850 GS Adventure. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of adventure motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the BMW F850 GS Adventure. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The BMW F850 GS Adventure is a powerful and comfortable adventure motorcycle designed for both on-road and off-road riding. It's powered by an 853 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising and off-road exploration. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the F850 GS Adventure is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy bike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the F850 GS Adventure comes with a host of other advanced features, including electronic suspension adjustment, traction control, and multiple riding modes. The bike also features a large fuel tank, ample storage space, and a comfortable riding position. Design and aesthetics. The F850 GS Adventure has a rugged and adventurous design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its bold styling and high ground clearance give it a tough and capable look. Target audience and relevance. The F850 GS Adventure is ideal for riders who are looking for a versatile and capable adventure motorcycle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and off-road capabilities make it a top choice for those who want to explore new territories. Expert reviews. The F850 GS Adventure has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and advanced features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The F850 GS Adventure is a fantastic choice for riders who want a versatile and capable adventure bike. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other adventure motorcycles. When compared to other popular adventure motorcycles, the BMW F850 GS Adventure stands out for its versatility and value. Its smaller displacement engine makes it more fuel efficient and easier to handle than some larger options, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a budget. Conclusion. The BMW F850 GS Adventure is a well-rounded adventure motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, including the reverse gear, make it a practical and convenient choice for both on-road and off-road riding. So, if you're looking for a versatile and capable adventure motorcycle, the F850 GS Adventure is definitely worth considering.